Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a Copycat Starbucks creme brulee latte. First we're going to go make the creme brulee and then we're going to make the latte. Let's go. First grab you a measuring cup. Then you're going to need half a cup of dark brown sugar. Go ahead and put it into your cup. Go ahead and get you a pan on high heat, that way it heats up really fast. I'm using my Instant Pot because it gets hot really quick. Pour your half a cup of dark brown sugar directly into the pot. While that's melting down, we're going to get a cup of hot water. Spread this evenly in the pan, that way it starts to melt evenly. Now we wait. Go ahead and grab your vanilla flavoring, you're going to need it. And some salt. You can sure smell it. Just wait till it melts down. If it started to melt and ain't all the way melted down, that's okay. Go ahead and add your cup of hot water. Now stir it, it'll all melt down together, so don't worry. After it's all melted down, you'll start to see this dark amber effect. It looks super yummy. Go ahead and add you an entire can of sweetened condensed milk into the pan. Stir frequently and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Starting to look good. After about 10 minutes, take it off the heat and let it sit for about a minute. After it's set for about a minute, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then add you a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Go ahead and take this off of the heat and pour it into a container that you're going to use to cool it down in. Now you're going to sit and let this cool down for a while. And that's how you make the creme brulee part. I'm going to go ahead and add the recipe at the end of the video. Come back for part 2 to make the creme brulee latte. Love you guys.